Hello everyone, welcome to Monty's Courses. This is part 4 of the HTML coding course series, and today we are going to be learning list. So there's 3 different type of lists that in HTML, right? So first there is the unordered list, which is like a bullet point. And then there's a numbered list, which is like 1, 2, 3, right? And then there's like, I don't know if it's really considered a list, but it's like a item, and then below it, it'll be like description, like there. You'll see. But first, we're gonna do the unordered list, so just the bullet points. So if we want to start that, we do this, right? UL, and then we're gonna close that right there, right? And then in the middle of it, we are going to do LI, right? And then this is, you have to do this for each thing you want to make a list about. So let's say the first thing we want in our list is Monty, and then we want another one in the list, and we're gonna call that courses. So now that we have 2 items in our list, it's gonna make a list unordered Monty courses, right? So now let's say we wanted numbers in that so the viewer can, keep track of how many lists or things there are on it, right? Because like maybe you have too much or something like that. Or maybe you have a step you want to do, step 1, step 2, step 3. So ordered list, you do OL, and then close, and then the middle. This one's also going to be LI. Wait, we're going to do Monty, close that, open LI, courses, and we're going to run it. See, 1, 2, and it'll keep going as far as down as you want. Now, the last type of list is a, it's like a description type list. I don't really know exactly what it's called, but here it's gonna be, I'll show you. Okay, so now we're gonna do that. It's gonna be DL is what you want to start off with. You have DL, right? Then you're gonna do DT, and DT is the name of whatever you want to describe. So let's say you were selling something like a toy on your website, right? Now that's the name of it. Now if you want to give the toy a description, what you do is go below it, right, and type DD, right? So you get that and go like, you can play with this toy, and that's the description, right? Oh, so we're gonna run that. See, toy, you can play with this toy. Boom. If you want to do another one, you just do the same thing. DT Legos, DT, and then DD, you can build, oh my god, them. Boom. Now you got it. You got toy, Legos, you got this description, and that's pretty much it for all the lists. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It helps me, and it helps you learn better with HTML. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.